another episode of Cooking with Silas. I'm Miss Bethany, this is Mr. Cameron, and this of course is Chef Silas. Today we're going back to Grandmommy Vixie's Friedman favorite cookbook, and we're going to be making, oh thank you baby, we're going to be making lemon bars. Ooh, lemon bars, yummy. So, some of the things you'll need are flour, powdered sugar, regular sugar, we need a lot of sugar, butter,
it's a delicious dish,
eggs, and baking soda, and lemon juice. This recipe also called for lemon zest, but we don't have any, so we're just hoping it's the same without the zest. All right, shall we get started, Silas? Yeah, okay. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We've already done that. We remembered this time. Now we're going to make our crust. So we need 1 cup of flour. Yeah, oh wait, hold on. This is the powdered sugar. That's the flour.
There's the flour.
But we'll also need this. 1 cup of flour. You ready, Silas? We're going to pour in some flour. Here.
Silas trying to hold it?
Here you go. Dada's going to pour in our flour. Ooh, that's 1 whole cup of flour. Shake it a little bit, get it all flat. There we go. Yep. All right, we pour it in. Go ahead. Good job. Whoa, you got flour hands. Go like this. See. There we go. Okay. Now we need a 1/2 cup of softened butter.
Okay.
No, it's okay. You're going to take this and just dump it. Ready? Take this and dump. Ah, there we go.
There we go.
That was easy. 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar. I know. Silas doesn't like his hands being messy, but when you're baking, sometimes that happens. It's okay to have messy hands. We'll wash them, baby. Okay, here you go. Can you pour in our confectioner sugar? Yay! Yeah.
Good job.
That's all we need for our crust. So now we're going to get our mixer. And Silas is going to have his first electric mixing experience.
Da-da-da-da.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, buddy. Look.
Ready,
Do
son?
you want to mix it?
Should we try it?
Okay,
Right
okay, you
here.
gotta hold it up here.
Here.
Good job. And then we're gonna turn it on. Ready? It's gonna make some noise. Whoa! Look at that!
Mixing, guys. Mix it up.
Need some mixing music! Mix music. Yep, we're mixing it all up.
We're going to press it into the pan now.
Yeah. Good job, bud. Oh, I love you too, Bubs. Okay, so we're going to take our hands and we're going to push it. Can you push it like this? Push. We're going to flatten it. Good. Keep going. Flatten. Push it down. We're going to push it down into the pan. Are you going to smell it? Does it give the smell approval? Smell good? Okay, keep pushing. Take your little hands and push. Push down. Good job. Keep going.
Keep pushing.
Push.
Yep.
Your hands are the perfect size for this. Go ahead. Keep pushing. Yeah. Push down real hard. Ooh, push.
Good job,
push.
Si. You're doing so good.
Push.
All the corners.
All the corners.
Yeah,
Make
the
sure
spots.
it's. Ooh. You want to try it? You want to try it?
It's just butter and sugar and flour.
How's that? Is that good? Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I like
He
it.
likes the crust. So now we're going to put this crust in the oven.
Okay.
Ready, Silas? You going to help Mama put it in the oven? Yeah? Okay. We got to put our crust in the oven to make the rest. Can you open the oven? That's good, isn't it? Good job. Oh, no. We got an oven full of stuff. Oh, jeez. Put that away. Okay, ready? Can you put it in? Push it in. Yeah.
Good
Now
job.
Close the door. Now remember, our oven is on for 350, and we're gonna bake that for 20 minutes. You ready to make the filling? Okay, come back up. Now that our pie crust is in the oven, we're gonna start on our filling. So what we need to do first is beat our eggs. Yeah, we're gonna beat the eggs. You gonna help us beat the eggs, baby? Oh, thank you. I love your hugs.
How many eggs do we need?
We need two eggs. We're gonna beat 2 eggs. All right? Are you ready, bud? Okay, hold it. Help me hold it. We're gonna crack, crack, crack. Oh no! Oh no! What do we do? Oh jeez! Oh no! Oh boy! Oh,
sometimes you need some paper towels.
Okay, we're gonna need another egg.
Okay, let's get it ready.
Thanks, Mr. Cameron. Whoopsies! There we go. Okay, now we can. Now I cracked it. Now we just open it. Whoa! We got some shells in there. It's all right. Eggs are hard, huh, Bubba? Cracking them everywhere. Yeah, eggs are hard. Right.
Here's the other egg.
Oh, we got another egg. Ready?
Okay.
All right. Ready? Oh, here it comes.
Ooh.
Oh, there it is.
Yay!
All right. You only
Good
got one
job.
shell in this time. Oh boy.
Sometimes the shells are just add extra flavor.
Yeah, we got some more shells. Oh, thanks, Bubs. Get that shell. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to beat it up.
Holding eggs over everyone's heads.
Oh, jeez. Who have your hands? Get our egg off our hand.
Oh, you need some egg? You got egg hands?
We got to beat this up.
All right, beat it up.
Okay.
There we go. You want to help Dad beat it up? Perfect. Now we're gonna add our sugar. 1 cup of sugar. Oh, you found the eggshell. Great job, Mr. Cameron. Oh, this is sugar, Bubba.
We had 1 cup of
Go
sugar.
ahead. Whoa, good job. 1 cup of sugar. Hi, Bubs. 2 tablespoons of flour. Oh, you want to sip it, Mama? Okay. Oh, look. You want to beat it more? We're going to beat it in a minute.
You said flour.
2 tablespoons of flour. Oh, your binky? Yeah? You sure you want your binky? He wants his binky. Okay, let's count our tablespoons. Ready? Here's 1 tablespoon. And 2 tablespoons. Now we need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. You want to put in the baking powder? Okay.
1/2 teaspoon. You got it.
1/2 teaspoon. Ready? You put in your 1/2 teaspoon? Good job.
Good job.
Now we need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Yeah, that doesn't taste good. That's baking powder. Here's some, here, hold the lemon juice, Betty. Okay. Ooh. Okay, good. Give it a pour. 1, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
And if you have lemons, go ahead and feel free to add the zest in as well.
Add the zest. Yep. Lemon juice and zest. Okay. Beat until frothy.
Ooh.
Oh, I love your hugs.
We're going in.
Happy. Here we go. I'm gonna watch that beat. It actually doesn't look very frothy, but we've been at it for a while now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try it.
All right, so we magic 3 it to pull the crust out of the oven?
Yep.
Sounds good.
1, 2,
3!
Yep, our crust is ready.
Oh,
Are you ready?
yay.
All right. Yeah, use it with this one. Ready? Oh, good job, because it's so
Ooh.
hot. Good job. Okay, it's very hot. Let's put these on both hands. Here, because it's hot, hot, hot. Yep. One for that hand and one for this hand. Perfect. Now,
We're gonna do one last little blend. Froth it all up. Okay.
all right. Take
Perfect.
the bowl, help Dad pour it in.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead. Say tip, tip, tip. Get it all in there. Tap, 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 tap. Good job. Tap, tap, tap. All right, so we took our crust out of the oven. It cooked for 20 minutes. We put our frothy, eggy sugar mixture in. And now we're gonna put it back into the oven for another 25 minutes.
Okay, perfect.
Ready?
Okay.
Can you open the oven? Oh, it's already open. Okay, here, we'll stand back. So that I can put it in the
Here
oven.
it goes.
Bye-bye. You wanna close the door? Hiya!
All right.
We'll see you in 25 minutes.
Sounds good.
Hey, Silas. I know you're doing a lot of puzzling, but our lemon bars are done. Do you want to check them out? Yeah? All right, let's go.
All right, we have gotten our lemon. Thank you, baby. We've gotten our lemon bars out of the oven. We've cut them into bars. They're not the prettiest things, but we're not going for pretty. I'm gonna just take a little powdered sugar and sprinkle it on top.
Ooh.
And then we're gonna try it. Are you ready, baby?
Oh, you want to try to bite?
Are you
Here
ready?
we go. Silas taste test.
Okay, Mama's gonna try it then. Ready? What? What?
Is it nummy?
What? You didn't like that? Okay, well, Mama's gonna try this bite. Can Mama try? Okay. Oh!
Ooh,
Well, that was a
nummy.
good bite.
Oh, it's nummy.
You wanna try?
Oh, try nummy bite. Try nummy bite. There we go.
Wow. He took it out of his mouth and put it on the plate. I think we might have another no-go.
Not a Silas approval.
Oh,
Tripped on that. I
you
know.
tripped.
I'm
Do
sorry,
you
buddy.
need
Can we
some
stand
lemon
right
bar to
here?
make it feel
Stand
better?
right here, okay?
Here, I bet you a little lemon bar.
Let's try some lemon bar. Oh no!
Is that
good? Nummies? Your happy feet?
Oh, okay.
Oh, little happy feet!
Do you like it? Do you want to try a little more?
Wait, some more?
That was
Go
good.
try some. Daddy, try some.
Oh, Dada tries some. Is it good, Dada?
Mm,
Oh, Dada likes
nice.
it. Mama
Yeah.
likes it. Mama's gonna eat a little more. I'm gonna eat a little more. Mama's gonna eat just
Get in there.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Mama have a bite? Oh, thank Oh, thank you. Oh, that is yummy.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna
Let's
sprinkle?
not- oh,
You want to sprinkle a little? You can take a little bit. Get your hands messy
a
though.
little bit.
And
Sure.
then squirt, 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 squirt.
Yay!
Now, do you want to try it now that you sprinkled some sugar on it?
Oh,
What
sugar.
do you think of that?
That's pure sugar. Does that give you happy feet?
Oh, we get happy feet for pure powdered sugar.
Wow.
The lemon drops,
Who
not
would've
so
thought?
much. You know what? I'm going to give my happy feet. Oh,
I
table's
also
too
oh,
short.
yeah, happy feet too.
Okay, well, we got 2 happy feet, 4 happy feet.
Mhm.
Now, I guess we're just meant to feed you sugar?
Well done on the lemon bars.
Well,
Dixie.
we like our lemon bars. Thanks, Grandmommy.
Thanks.
Silas might grow into them. But for now, me and Mr. Cameron are going to demolish some lemon bars.
Yummy.
All right, can we say bye-bye?
See
Thanks
you
for
later,
cooking
friends.
with us.
Bye-bye.